In the morning, I like to start my skincare routine with the Morning Refresher Kit by Holy Raw. The Mother Willow face wash acts as a gentle cleanser, clearing away impurities while leaving my skin feeling hydrated and nourished. I like to follow up with a few sprays of holy water. It has a subtle minty feeling that feels so refreshing in the morning. It restores moisture back into my skin and makes me feel lively and ready to conquer the day. I complete my morning skin prep routine with a couple pumps of jojoba oil. It helps retain moisture in my skin and gives me that radiant morning glow everyone always compliments me on. The Mother Willow face wash, holy water, and jojoba oil trio provides the perfect formula for achieving that morning glow. I love using Holy Raw products because they provide healthy, natural, and simple skincare solutions that are absent of fillers, binders, and harsh chemicals.